Hello and welcome to my channel. I am doing some outer space galaxy themed treats, and today it is just some little cupcakes. So I did like a galaxy swirl on top, and then I just did some chocolate candy melt, rocket ship, and planets. So to make these I used black, blue, purple, and pink buttercream icing. So I just made some white buttercream and divided it in 4 and dyed them the appropriate colors. And then I used some candy melts. You can do whatever candy melt color you want for the rocket ships and the planets. And then I used a mold. I got it at Michael's, but I've seen them on Amazon and Bulk Barn in different places. And it's just a rocket ship outer space mold. So keep watching and I'll show you how to make these. Okay, so I have some candy melts. I'm gonna do some red and some orange, but obviously you can do whatever colors. And I'm gonna pop those in a Ziploc baggie, put them in the microwave on half power for 30 seconds at a time. You just kind of knead them in between. And then I'm going to squeeze it into my little mold and then pop those in the fridge. When you squeeze them in, you wanna bang them nice and good to get out all the bubbles. And then I'll pop that in the fridge to get hardened, and those will be for on top. Okay, so I have my cupcakes baked and cooled. These are just some funfetti. And then I'm gonna get a piece of plastic wrap. And then I'm going to add a strip of all the colors that I would like. Okay, so I'm gonna line them up like this. My 4 colors that I'm going to use. And then wrap them up. This side we can just kind of twist. And then this side we're gonna cut. I'm going to pop the 1M decorating tip into my bag and cut this off. And then take this and pop it inside. Then I'm going to go around and up like that. Then with I took some buttercream and added water to it, so it's kind of like a runnier consistency. It's like diluted. And then I'm gonna take a paintbrush and basically just hit the paintbrush to get little white spots. All the way around. And then I'm gonna go around. Okay, so these guys, I just kind of pull away the mold just to make sure it's not like stuck. And then they just pop right out. Boom. And then what I'm going to do is one of these guys I'm gonna put on the back, and then one of these guys on the front, I think. I also have some in another color, so I might mix and match. Put this guy up here. Actually, I'm gonna put the planet right here. And then I wanted to make like, it looked like the rocket ship had like stuff behind it. So I got this cotton candy at the grocery store. And I wanted to just stick it behind somehow. Okay, I just put like a dollop of buttercream and then just stick it like that. Boom. The cotton candy, like if you touch it too much, it gets like all hard and whatnot. So you kind of just need to touch the end of it. And then you can kind of just gently form it. You just don't want to touch it too much. And then I think I'm going to try something different for this one. I think for this one I'm just going to do a rocket ship at the back like this. And we'll do a planet. Planet at the front. Okay, here's my finished Galaxy cupcakes. The icing turned out awesome. And I like how they're all like a little bit different. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I love how these turned out, and I think they will taste delicious as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will link my Galaxy cake video up at the top, and you can check that one out as well. Bye.